What is up, guys? My name is Alex Scott, and I am here with JamPlay.com, bringing you an extremely exciting new course, Brave New Worlds, learning bass guitar for guitar players. This course is specifically geared towards any of you guys out there who are, whether you're beginner, intermediate, or advanced guitarists, but have been curious about the world of bass and maybe crossing over a little bit. Maybe you recently got a bass as a gift from somebody. Maybe you have some friends who have a band and they already have a guitar player, but they really need a bass player, and you've been thinking about picking one up. If any of these things fit your profile, then this is a great course for you to check out. Over the course of 10 weeks of live sessions, as well as accompanying guided practice sessions available on the site for on-demand access, we are going to take you guys through all the stuff that you're going to need to know about crossing over from being a guitar player to being a great, well-rounded bass player, starting with really simple playing techniques and, talking about playing with fingerstyle versus playing with a pick, moving through a little bit of music theory knowledge. Don't worry, it's not complicated, I promise. I know music theory can sound scary, but we are going to make it fun, we're going to make it engaging, and we're going to make it easy for you guys to understand. And then we're going to take you guys through 4 different genres. We're going to talk about rock, we're going to talk about blues, country, funk, and get you guys acquainted with bass playing in all those different genres. And then we're going to cap it all off with a super cool full-length song that we're going to learn that you guys will get to play bass along with. So, if you are interested in moving over from being a guitar player to adding that bass guitar into your repertoire as well, definitely check out Brave New Worlds, learning bass guitar for guitarists. Again, my name is Alex Scott, and I look forward to seeing you in the course. Thanks very much.